Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are recreating the iconic Bella Poarch aesthetic, cute, edgy, and totally unbothered. So this look brings major main character energy and slays every runway. If you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So first you can start with the hair. So for the hair here, I'm going to use this pigtails from Code Items, this one, and I'm going to change the color into all black. And since I'm here, I'm going to wear the shoe from the Code Items and toggle it into even longer and change the color into all black. Okay. Now for the hair, I'm going to add this bangs to add more dramatic and cute effects. This one in here, change the color into black. So once you're done with that, you can start making the outfit. So first, I'm going to put on this bra from the summer outfit here. And for the first preview, I'm going to wear a pattern. This pattern's in here. Second review, I'm going to make it black, and here I'm going to put on this on the arms, this puff in here, change the color into black, and I'm going to put on this skirt also in black. So I forgot to put on this pants in here, the short pants. To make the skirt looks a little bit longer, you can use that. Change the color into black, and now I'm going to put on this belt from the men's section, and let's put on some more accessory here. I'm going to add this necklace in here, this one, and change the first and second preview into silver or white. And so now this is the final look. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.